Good evening. Today is Monday, November 27, 2023, and here are the 7 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SLs for 3, 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City, under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Monday, November 27, 2023. Here are the SLs for 3, 7 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Fiona Trading and Supply Corporation for November 27, 2023, Monday. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for evening of Monday, November 27, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.